In this advanced tutorial, learn how to pull live data from the web directly into Microsoft Excel using the FILTERXML and WEBSERVICE functions. You will discover how to import live extensible markup language, or XML, data directly from application programming interfaces, or APIs, into your spreadsheet. We will cover the WebService and FILTERXML functions. The WebService function allows you to connect to application programming interfaces, or APIs, and fetch live extensible markup language, or XML, data directly into Microsoft Excel. The FILTERXML function helps in parsing and extracting specific data from extensible markup language, or XML responses. The WebService function connects Microsoft Excel to web application programming interfaces, or APIs. The syntax is as follows: equals WebService open parenthesis URL close parenthesis. This function retrieves data from a web service on the internet or intranet. The FILTERXML function extracts data from extensible markup language, or XML, content. The syntax is as follows: equals FILTERXML open parenthesis XML, XPath close parenthesis. It utilizes extensible markup language, or XML, path expressions to extract specific data from extensible markup language, or XML documents. Here's a basic example to demonstrate how to use these functions. First, get the extensible markup language, or XML, data using the WebService function by typing equals WebService open parenthesis, then enter the URL https://api.example.com/data.xml close parenthesis. Then, extract specific data using the FILTERXML function by typing equals FILTERXML open parenthesis a1, // item / name close parenthesis. This extracts the name from the item. Consider a real-world application, such as getting livestock prices. To get livestock prices, use the following formula: equals FILTERXML open parenthesis, WebService open parenthesis, enter the URL https://api@finance.com/stock/aapl close parenthesis, //stock/price close parenthesis. This formula combines both functions to fetch and extract live financial data. It is fetching the stock price of Apple, whose ticker is AAPL. Here are some common extensible markup language, or XML, path expressions: // item, which retrieves all item elements; // item / name, which retrieves the name within each item; // item / at ID, which retrieves the ID attribute of items; // item 1, which retrieves the first item only; // item last, which retrieves the last item only. Finally, // item price greater than 100 retrieves items with a price over 100. The key takeaways from this tutorial are: firstly, the powerful combination of the WebService function and the FILTERXML function enables live data integration into Microsoft Excel. Secondly, extensible markup language, or XML, path expressions allow precise data targeting from complex extensible markup language, or XML structures. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.